Good morning, student. My name is Swati Sharma. Jai Swaminarayan, Atmi Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. Welcome back. Today's we have talking about algebraic expression, and it's our running chapter. What is and in this chapter we have what we learn. First, we have revise. Short revision is there. What is algebra and what is algebraic expression? We know the numbers if the expression if the terms having variables and constant, then it is called algebraic expression. Okay. What is a variable did not having fixed value. It's depend upon condition. Okay. If the condition are differ, then the value of the variable is differ. Understand? Now what do you mean by terms? If the expression having sign arithmetic sign plus and minus, then it become a terms. Okay. And terms will be divided by sign plus and minus only. Multiplication and division is not divided into terms. Okay. Now what do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient, whatever the variable is there, in multiplication, in suppose 4x, what is the coefficient of x? The numerical coefficient of x is 4, and what is the variable coefficient of 4? Variable coefficient is x. Understand? And what do you mean by like term and unlike term? If the powers and the variable are same, then it is called like term, and if the power and variable are different, it is called unlike terms. Okay. What do you mean by monomial, binomial and trinomial? What is monomial? If the term having only one term, it is called monomial. If the algebraic expression having only two terms, it's called binomial. And if the algebraic expression having three terms, it is called trinomial. Understand? Now, and we have talking about addition and subtraction of like terms, and we do 12.2 question number 1. I hope you have completed question number 1 complete in your book. Okay. Now question number 2. What do you mean by question number 2? Let's do question number 2. Okay. Add 3mn minus 5mn and 8mn minus 4mn. See the question. Here variables and powers are same. All the variables and all the powers are same. Okay. So what we do in this type of question? First of all, first question is 3mn minus 5mn. So you have to add all the variables. So write it 3mn plus minus 5mn plus 8mn plus minus 4mn. Okay. All the variables and powers are same, so it is like terms. Okay. Now what we do? Only we have to plus and minus. In our previous classes we have learned plus into minus, always it is minus. So first of all you have do it, that is 3mn, it become 3m, and plus into minus minus 5mn plus 8mn minus 4mn. In all these terms, mn is common, so common it, and in the bracket 3 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. Okay. So first see the positive terms. Positive terms is 3 plus 8, and what is the negative term? Minus 5 minus 4. So do it. Mn, 3 plus 8 is 11, and minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. So it become, so your answer is 2mn. This type you have to do this type of questions. Okay. Now question number 2 is t minus 8tz. Okay. Our second question is t minus 8tz, comma 3tz minus z, comma z minus t. Okay. Now you have to add these numbers, add this expression, algebraic expression. Now what to do? First of all, you have to write this expression as t minus 8tz plus it is 3tz minus z plus z minus t. Okay, this is minus z, this is plus z, this is plus t, this is minus t, both are cancelled. Now what is remaining? 8tz plus 3tz. Okay, now in both the expressions, both the terms, you know what is the common number? tz. So common it, and what is become minus 8 plus 3. What is minus 8 plus 3? That is minus 5. So your answer is minus 5tz. Minus 5tz is your answer. Understand? Is the now this type you have to complete question number 2. Okay, complete question number 2, and then what about question number 3? Subtract minus 5y square from y square. See, minus 5y square from y square means what is the expression? Expression is y square minus 5y square. Understand? So it become minus minus plus, both are like term because y has the highest power 2 in both the terms. So it become you have solve it y square as a common, then in the bracket we have 1 plus 5, that is 6. So your answer is 6y square. Okay, understand? This type you have completed full question number 3. Okay, question number 3 you have to complete. I have do some more for you. Suppose the number is 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Okay, let's write the question. What is the question? Question is, our question is 5a square minus 7ab. Write it. 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. Okay, from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Okay, whenever it is written from, then you have to subtract first number from second number. Okay, so you have to write with minus sign, and you have write 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. Okay, so what is the expression become? Expression become 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square minus 5a square plus minus minus plus 7ab plus minus minus 5b square. Understand? Now it become, see here, minus 2a square and minus 5a square and 3ab 7ab. like terms को आपको पास करना है. Okay, 3ab and 7ab, it become a 10ab. Okay, now minus 2a square minus 5a square, it become minus 7a square. Okay, then it become minus minus, it become minus 7b square. Okay, this type you have to solve whole question. Okay, now read out question number 4. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain this? So in this question what you do? Okay, let's see. The question is what should be added to x square, means the question is write down x square plus xy plus y square plus question mark is equal to, you have to get 2x square plus 3xy. Now you have to solve it. So you want the value of question mark. Okay, so question mark here is equal to 2x square plus 3xy as it is, and this whole expression is transformed to LHS, RHS. So it become minus x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so you have to do 2x square plus 3xy minus x square plus into minus minus xy and minus y square. Okay, now 2x square minus x square, it become x square. 3xy minus xy, it become 2xy minus y square. Okay, and this expression you have to write x minus y ka whole square. Okay, understand? So this type you have to solve all the questions. Okay, question number 5th and question number 6 is your homework. Okay, now do it by yourself. If you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp. Okay, now read out question number 5. What should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xz y plus 20 to obtain this? What should be taken away? Taken away means आप उसमें से क्या बाहर निकालोगे. बाहर निकालना मतलब माइनस करना. ओके, यू हैव टू सबस्ट्रैक्ट. व्हाट शुड बी सबस्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम दिस टू ऑब्टेन दिस. ओके, then what should be taken away from? So what you do, let's see. So question number 5 required expression is, our required expression is 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus question mark is equal to, the question is minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Now we have to find the value of question mark. Okay, so what to do, you have to transport question mark here and this full expression in LHS. Okay, so let's transpose 5xy plus 20 minus, okay, this is full expression, minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20 is equal to question mark. Now again solve 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus minus plus x square minus minus plus y square minus 6xy minus 20 is equal to question mark. Okay, so you have to find the value of question mark. Now 3x square and x square, the terms of x square, choose the terms of x square. These two terms are x square, it become 4x square minus 4y plus y, that is minus 3y square, 5xy minus 6xy, so it become minus xy plus 20 and minus 20 become cancelled, so it is your value of question mark. Understand? So you have to subtract this expression from this, so you have get minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Check it by yourself. Okay, now our question number 6 is, what is our question number 6? Question number 6 is from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and this, means you have to give two sums in one question. Okay, so first of all what to do, from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y and minus 11, subtract this. Okay, so first you have to add these two expression, then subtract this expression. Okay, understand? So first of all, what you do? 3x minus y plus 11 plus minus y minus 11. Okay, then what you get? Okay, minus y minus 2y plus 11 minus 11 is cancelled, so you have get 3x minus 2y. Okay, this is your expression. Now subtracting 3x minus y minus 11 from 3x minus 2y means you have to subtract. Okay, now let's subtract minus 3x minus y minus 11, so it become minus plus minus 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 plus minus minus plus. Okay, it is plus minus, it become minus y plus 11, so your answer is minus y plus 11. Understand? If this type you have to do question number 2, question 6 B1 is doing by yourself. Okay, now have a good day.